In this video, you will learn how to set up a cookie policy on your WordPress website. First, install. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to plugins, then add new. Search for a cookie consent plugin. Click install, then activate. Step 2. Set up the plugin. Open the plugin once installed. Open the plugin settings from the dashboard. Follow the setup wizard. Choose your privacy laws relevant to your visitors. Allow your plugins to scan your site for cookies. Customize the look and behavior of your cookie banner. Let the plugin generate your cookie policy page and prepare to create one manually. Create a link or cookie policy page. If your plugin doesn't automatically create a page, go to Pages, then add new. Title it Cookie Policy. Add a policy text, either written by you or generated by the plugin, then publish the page. Step 4. Display. Display the cookie banner. Make sure the cookie consent banner is visible on all pages. Let users accept or reject cookies. Include the link of your cookie privacy policy. Then, test. Test everything. Open your website in incognito to confirm that the banner shows up correctly, consent choice works as expected, and the cookie policy pages is easily accessible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.